Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings to the channel here. Second flight of Eachine E120S direct drive mini 3D RC helicopter. And this time I'm flying it with RadioMaster TX16S. Before we continue, please take a few seconds to check out my channel memberships. As a channel member, not only you support our channel and our work in these tough times, but also you get access to members only coolest perks. The links are in video description, so go ahead, check it out. I look forward to welcoming you as my channel members. I still probably gotta tweak some settings. I'm also running the stick cams so you can see the stick moves. Let's start recording for that. 1, 2, 3. So that was sync. And here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I had the maiden flight with Futaba, and now I'm doing the second flight with the RadioMaster TX16S. Winds have increased slightly, so I'm just gonna keep the winds on my back. Yes. Oh, almost fell in a ditch behind me. So 6G mode, handling winds really nice.
3D aerobatics.
3D aerobatics, 65%. I don't know, maybe 60% head speed. Oh, don't go down.
Oh yeah, that was the right switch.
Yes, let's increase the speed. Please don't bog on me. Actually, surprisingly, it's handling winds really nice. I mean, winds have picked up, but look at this. This little helicopter is actually handling. So Eachine, you really need to do something about this bogging. I mean, I'm not doing much, like, for example, this kind of aerobatic. It is fine, but let's see. See? Oh, motor goes bogging, RPM losing. So to say, flying around just like this and doing mild 3D just like this is fine. Pretty quiet little helicopter, right? Oh, RPM dropping significantly. You can probably watch. I didn't pay attention to the stick cam. I hope my stick cam is still shooting. So to say,
3D aerobatics. Flight mode normal.
you have watched the stick moves and you have seen how the motor bogs if I pull more punches or
Timer 1 elapsed.
try to keep on doing aerobatics. The motor bogs a whole lot. So let's land the helicopter right next to M2 Evo maybe. Hopefully I can do this challenge. There you go, people. This is Eachine E120S flight with RadioMaster TX16S. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right